Prime, my name is Calvin Nyakundi. Now, the working landscape is quickly transforming, a change that is set to create an extra 170 million jobs globally. The Future of Work report by the World Economic Forum has revealed that 92 million jobs will be displaced in the next 5 years. Noakip Kemboi with the details.
The global labor market is fast transforming. This will see the displacement of 8% of current jobs, an equivalent of 92 million jobs. The Future of Jobs report by World Economic Forum has revealed the fastest declining jobs in the next 5 years include postal service clerk, bank tellers, cashiers, graphic designers, legal officials, and telemarketers, amongst others. However, these changes in the global labor market are poised to create 170 million jobs between 2025 and 2030. Offsetting the 92 million jobs projected to be lost, there will be a net growth of 78 million jobs. Tech is projected to catalyze the growth in jobs, with the fastest growing jobs including big data specialists, fintech engineers, AI and machine learning specialists, software and applications developers. Frontline job roles are also predicted to see the largest growth in absolute terms of volume and include farm workers, delivery drivers, construction workers, salespersons, and food processing workers. With a heavy tilt towards tech, AI and big data top the list of fastest growing skills. In fact, the report reveals that the need for upskilling and reskilling is critical, with 59% of current workers needing training by 2030, of who 18% will be unlikely to receive their reskilling or upskilling needed, leaving their employment prospects increasingly at risk. Noakip Kemboi, KTN.
E-commerce is growing rapidly in Kenya, one of the largest markets in Africa.